The Llangollen International Eisteddfod celebrates its 70th birthday this year, and as with all years we will see competitors from across the world coming to sing, dance and enjoy the glories of Llangollen and the Dee Valley. The first International Eisteddfod was held in June 1947, and following the horrors of the Second World War there was a vision that music could heal some of the wounds of war and that music could be used to promote peace. The first Eisteddfod was a huge success as a result of the fact that the local populace contributed over £1,000 of their own money, which accounts for some £35,000 in today's money, and it continues to rely on the hard work of many volunteers, and we thank them for all their work. Over 300,000 competitors from over 100 different countries have come to compete on the festival stage over the years, with tens of thousands of visitors attending every year, and the festival still promotes world peace, with local children presenting the annual message of peace. It's welcomed some of the biggest names in world music. We know of the relationship with Luciano Pavarotti and his visit with a choir from Modena in 1955 that inspired him to become professional. And this year the festival will welcome Bryn Terfel, as well the jazz, soul and gospel singer Gregory Porter. And in these words of discord and international dispute, in an age where walls are erected and boundaries placed between nations, let us celebrate the way in which the Llangollen International Eisteddfod has opened our arms to the rest of the world. Its age-old message of peace, tolerance and fraternity is as important today as it was 70 years ago.